In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to make audio public Roblox. Firstly, you need to open Roblox in a web browser of your choice. Once you're on the platform, locate and click on the create option. However, please note that there are certain requirements that needed to be fulfilled in order to access this feature. Once you have followed these steps and met the requirements, we can proceed. Within the Create Audio section, choose the option to upload a file. Make sure to select an MP3 or OGG file format. After uploading the file, you have the option to rename it before clicking the Upload button. Additionally, you'll notice a pop-up under the Audio tab where you should click on the Settings icon. From there, choose the Configure option. In this section, you can provide a description, set the genre, and choose whether to share it with everyone. However, please be aware that currently audio files cannot be made public. You'll need to wait for this option to become available in the future. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.